Aninga Lunegio Steven, ate chairman pa boda boda, Epawar sub-county, ate ko penje mara yo. Achiel, achako, awinjo julungonyik PDM, awinjo julungonyik trading pa PDC, achake komekecha. Wawinjo muzee bedo ka woto, kabelia wale manoko PDM. Mono winjo muzee be kanungwe cho kamaleng nya, i PDM dano teko mako million achiel. Eto kawalo purekon moko manonok inwanga nyamado kolo, utie district achiel, maji bisaku PDM achaka dano moko gimako ngo million achiel achaka gimako nusu. Dok chalo ka utie kindwa Elsa pitu te kindwa juma gimako nusu no mamo ze bologo gino. Joromo medo sende gi ikwata ma ni. Penji bara merasia.
He wants
Weshwana Batoxiel, Obesito Chalamandawat, Tia Shaman for Boda, Elukatal Saling, Anero, Lebe Mokumo Potemere, Achia Lemongo, you take a pasecta Patismo Temosalum Kudi, Salo, you take a Boda. Kinan Oida Mapoli district, Elugi, Jukiro Kor, Moko Jukonjamara, Egi, Anno Chamanesa Pitaka Kai, Nukiko, you are Makana Kudima, where then you Tibanga, when you do accident of an ma Paul, Daru Tekato, before much of a Yobungo, Malam to Padu for a goodie, so Kinako for 10 minutes of service delivery to the big body. Not too much you would take a man. Then one or two more to some more for the door, or Mako Juan, or Mako Tip to take you one, or Mako was in the Navy. You don't know what you're not going to want a one to
You want to ask the LC5 about the road. For them, they work on the road and they walk on the road and use it properly. Ask the government. Now, one of the issues is that our road is really very, very bad. Our road is bad, and that is one of the area of service delivery the government of Madukolo is doing. Now, our road is not being used properly because when they are graded, there's no maram, and in other parts of the district. The road that are graded, there is Mara. But now people are getting accidents and they are breaking down. How can the chairman LC5 help the committee of power to assure them about the road? The last question is about power. The last question is about power. Whenever they got accident and they maybe the motorcycle got broken, it is supposed to be welded. But now, there's no power. If they want to weld, they go up to a Toro. They go up to Toro or up to Aro, up to Pakwach. And yet, there's power in Madokoro. Why can't the power reach here today? He wants the cow also to tell why power is not here in power. Thank you.
Me, I appreciate you coming. It is a long-awaited meeting for me. It's my first time ever since. Yet I'm a resident, permanent resident of Pawasa County. I'm from Baila village. Imagine I've chanced this meeting just because I was coming to market. So I wanted, the first question is, when you're making such arrangement, I've actually put it myself that this could be community dialogue because I don't know. If you're doing such, is that the protocol? Is it abrupt? Or was there a procedure which I missed? And how did I miss? Yet I've been here since last year, not moving even to any village within the sub-county. So my complaints here come. One is about the health center. As I talk, I pity our community. We are really suffering. We are overpopulated. The services are really very minimal to our number. When we go everywhere we move, we see as if we don't have leadership in the area where we come from. When you talk of shortage in the facility, yes, that is everywhere. I've moved to other districts. People have volunteers, whom they call support staff, who are facilitated by some government fund. This money they are raising from market dues from the river bank, all are government money. Why can't those money help to really employ some people who are not yet employed, to give support to the existing workers who are few? Then when you go to school, teachers are few, we have very many children there in school. They are very few, but we have school dropouts from senior 4, senior 6, who can teach even P1 very well, at times better than even the qualified teachers, because they will use ordinary English. They will use ordinary English to teach these local children within. And why can't the government, with the money they are lobbying from the community, out of the small charges, pay these people some little money to get soap for their daily eating and transport as they move day and night, struggling to help their community? I have myself tried to go and help in the facility as a nurse, but moving day and night, and whenever there is emergency, I needed to be committed. But I was tired, I got bored, because no money even for soap, nothing to morale me, to give me a morale to continue doing the work. I moved up to the district. I went to DHO's office. He was not there in the office. I left a letter requesting to help, thinking he will also reason that I will not help minus some soap for washing my uniform. Nothing was done. I was not given a feedback. Now when I see my colleagues suffering, yet I have the capacity to help them, volunteer. I don't know who to blame. This is what the chairperson must answer for me, or what the community may think can be better. Nothing much. I'm Achayo Irene from Paila village. I chanced this meeting as I was coming to the market. And what I'm trying to forget again is about recruitment for us, the qualified staff who are lacking employment. When we go to the district, me, I'm Achayo Irene, but from Madukolo district. When I go seeking for employment in Madukolo, I don't get it. Even the rumors from my colleagues and what I've seen on the ground, and in every district, people take their people from that districts as priorities. Now, if my priority district cannot give me that priority to employ me, where else can I get employed? My paper is reading Madukolo district, Power Sub County. I lack staff. Madukolo is always recruiting people that they lack staff, but they cannot pick me. Can they help me verify my papers again? That I know where it has gone wrong. Oh, where else can I try to add again on that field of mine? Because it pains me. I see people whom even me myself could rescue dying when I'm seeing, going in other hands, which even they may not get that help they need. They suffer when I have the knowledge. Madukolo has these NGOs only rooted within that lower side of Obongi, of Rigbo. Those people have IDI contracts are being employed there, but I've never heard of it within Power. What is happening here? One time I heard that Power was to become a health center for, which even the issue kept quiet. I did not hear about it anymore because of the same bad road. Reno Camp is very bad for us, not easy to reach. If maybe you have that plan of giving another health district facility, you better maybe give also for Power so that you may employ some of us. Because another challenge in the community, which even me personally has faced, our people don't know many languages. Now you bring your people from other angles. These people begin telling our people, you have not gone to school, don't disturb me. You see? And yet, even some few of us who know the languages, who can help, who have even worked otherwise, are left unemployed. My request, lastly, is to help me verify my papers, because this Uganda of today, you don't get employed in another district.
We shall get answers from the responsible officers. But the first question went to me direct. That's why I'm up here. It shouldn't have been me, but since the first question went to me, I had to get up and respond to it. Which question is, why there is no Baraza meeting in Panduku always? Muse asked that question. And I want to clarify to us that the meeting we're having today is a district level Baraza meeting. Is that okay? We have district level Baraza meeting and sub-county level Baraza meeting. What is the difference? The district level Baraza meeting is where we bring the district leaders, like the COW, the RDC, the LC5, the DCDO, any other leader at district level, where we bring them to dialogue or have a meeting with you is the district level meeting. Okay? This is a district level Baraza meeting. And we have a sub-county level Baraza meeting, whereby we shall bring the sub-county leaders to the different parishes. At the parish level, that will be a parish Baraza meeting at a sub-county. Is that clear? So, as of now, we are still at a district level Baraza meeting. But in our next engagement, we shall have a sub-county level Baraza meeting, which meeting shall only be for the sub-county leaders and the people in a particular parish. Probably, as the sub-county chief is here, it may go to Panduku for power for the beginning, because they have cried for it. Is that okay? Since Panduku has cried in 1 year for Baraza meeting, the sub-county level Baraza meeting shall be in a Panduku parish. Let's take it in good first. Maybe the network can be in your level, Navu, because we have had one here in Parabok, where they are airing out issues right from the village level to the sub-county level. So we may have the next one in Panduku Parish. As Western Regional Civil Society Network and under the state project, we shall have two categories of Baraza meeting, one district level and another sub-county level. As today is the district level, the next will be the sub-county level Baraza meeting, which is going to be in a Panduku parish. I want to declare. Okay? Yes. That was the first question to me. Then the other, my sister Irene, Achayo Irene posted that since she has been here in Pawaru sub-county, it is only by chance today that she got to know about this meeting because she came to the market. My sister, we have ways of linking up with the people, and here directly the sub-county CDO or the community development officer was the one mobilizing all the community members of Pawaru sub-county for this Baraza meeting. I wonder how you did not get the information, but I'm grateful that you're one of the participants. Thank you so much. We'll always continue to ensure that we pass information through the government leaders. And if there are some other people whom you can identify for us to work with, maybe directly to do the mobilization, I think it is only through the CDO that we can get to them and work directly with them. Because the CDO is the rightful person who is the linkage to the community. That's why we deal direct with him. Thank you so much. Those are the questions too.
Ankoninga Dilongo Pedunga Vincent Tusa, a teacher man Elsie Area. A for team leader, a for your Joangamente, Irwame Matonton, Elsa Beach, Kao, Kojomo Kande Wang, Mr. County, Ajolo Wang, Chalmandawacho. And a for team leader, Kwangmera Chess, in way to Pare. Or take away to my bed. When young Lomu today, and I prepare fire near Lema team leader or locally. It's a long now or Tenere. The Dongomami district team leader will be under Chalo Chaman, Mi Paris. The Ponto Wama Bear. The Ponto Wama Bear. Agonia in Todia Genia, Udonkarmano. PDM do Bochipino. Nano de Guinea, Mama Wachiki. Kendo, I met a Loki, the Ponto Apotma Bong. I don't go near Montiga, Lobogi. You are Tonia. Let the meeting Dabo Colaso. Giri. Kuno, let the Moko Caro. Enuki Pontua. Can't give Anana Marach. Itua. Generally, kunyo be para Paris, Chalana Chama, akuting Honorable Paris, Gimachika Neno, Wamaro meeting ungo, Akecha meeting, Wamaro go. Gramani, Lebak, the ponto with the Dano, the ponto Dano ungo, Kadu Ponto Chiamania, the ponto Mukunguya, Dana Yera, the ponto gay, Kadu meeting, Pinungo, no, Putaka no, Nedi, Menumon, Lebede, Uno Kutueri, no, Miratel Market Kenny. Mira chair or market kenny. You know me taco food they want to chair for way, which is the police. Kwa kene. Look, mameta watching here. Wakomar who meeting. Le pagamento tito yo. Ongo mania gin ichake daro amechelo ngo. Gin ma ana aye so. Ni watch you kadi pa ward C. Kapa ward C who to banda. Awacho wamaru meeting wamar meeting makwe kawamar meeting wabini ang mabed iloku kan bera foyo
ndio kama adiko Michael mangazo panduku parisia ojo ma avepe mani lezo elsi toyi dika RDCA kizizo de nederana basu odu mudrini rise moralo afiki tipe area power di ak ane amani muria ki ziria kini ake jango jeje aya duojo dane ila ino so de be bajigwa LC5 di official per LC2 di official ani ba ziandra bodu mudu ne azirisi basude elders power ya dia do wa kokirwa muke ini muria le ani sazi piribano vela ya adiojo se iri peresadi RDC LC5 we adi kojo ni no doji leki chezo ango de wa atriamo afa made pede iya plus yandra RDC kiningone imu mepata okoko ni odoso de naji do mepo dani usuko ya usura ya ni lerpo ya chiko amana diodos rusi madi de kodo rufu boripe idi amuka edini ya ini aziane ba
Wanga kunyinga dale Agnes ana be pendi paragamente no bi wano chaka beroka chote to paragamente wano this mukele ngenge sapant bikele ki poko tractor ki ka beron ki beron tie wanda don wa ol fur ba ko tinge wer don ol dano urom kel wa tractor ukel wango nikom ka ber moko tikende fur tie ku tractor wan kai ukel wango pirango ari amero lo mama kare ku sokwe unu ku lokwe ngunen pinangi bolwaro gi ngomno gi neni nedi olwang nagi kwadno to wacho ger sokwe ngo ukel wa pis moko ger malo belwar pin malo ngo ingom beret geroba
Afoyo angu nyinga gibomo Shida Florence abedi apa para book atie ku question mat no kende afoyo makue ka team NGOs magromo konyo wania district giromo ka winjo lembe mo kipino da win baber wanden chalo debe magoyo ento gi konyo bingo anmoya su lembe pa soko amito wacho kan lembe madano e wengi wacho go ruok soko cheni pa sub county kara kitiwi maber wa wetu pa lembe moko makitimu ki wape aya penji para madit mapenjo apenju ngo wingudu ma central government tiwi apenju wingudu ma wunu tiwi chalo ngudu mwama ma andene uto andene alika ka ineno gigiero gijiki alika ento giero ngudu ni bitundi ngudu mwa gigiero ngo watie madio kolongo pirango mu giero ngudu ni ingo ngudu mage giero yo kolo ditelo ede kai neni woto do uting uki o yubere malenga foyo ento eding mito repairment giere aya mira rio government and we are not we are tiungo be lempam women council be mon women council the team election ne ento tisne pe tisne enango yango bedo I anda ogoko the miudiegi ento I NRM government anelo zo utundu ngo pire bongwa de unu government ko mi sende ngo nyo uchame district
an kuninga di longo pedo nga Vincent Musa anti chairman Delsi area afo team leader afo yo joangamente irwame di matonton Elsa Beach kao kujomu kende wen Sub County Adolo wen Chanmangawacho and afo team leader Kwangmera Chel iwetu pare angenia oteka wetu mabe wanyang lo mu today ento an I to foya nia lema team leader olokoni itelo ma otemere Dondongo Momi district team leader Opinanda Chalo chairman ni Paris Liponjo wa mabe Liponjo wa mabe agenia inge todi agenia odonkar mano pdm do bochipino nano de ginia mama watiki kendo ameta loki Liponjo wa poti mabong aneno ngo nya mondi tika loboge iwatonia lebe miking dako kolaso ngiri kuno lebe moko karo eno Liponjo kende gimba ananeno marach itua generale kunyo be para Paris chalana chairman akuting para Paris gima chika neno wa maro meeting ngo akecha meeting wa maro ngo kramani lebak Liponjo ko de dano ngo kadi Liponjo chairman ya Liponjo mukungu ya dano magi yera ya Liponjo ge kagilo meeting pinongo lo utaka no nenedi menu mon lebede uno ko tueri lo mera tel ma ke chitkene mera tel o ma ke chitkene inongere ta ko funde de ma tel ko mwe o chido I police kwa kene lo mameta wati unia wa ko maru meeting lebe pagamente chido yo ongo mania jin ichake daro amechelo ngo jin ma ana ayezo ni watiwa kadi pa ward C huwi to dada awacho wa maru no meeting wa mar meeting makwe ka mar meeting wa bini ang mabel ilo bukande bera foyo
mbasu se ba madri garamba di kaza muke mavu
garamba mo kisi de bangeta
ojo okolopini pinya kuzu pere garamba lo ritria
pe domiro kola muloro ngome kini garamba
oteke mano dola nera
iwe chulembe ni re
aluki adikara disibu
eter giba aradisi
adikara disibu la aradisi ni chairman Madokolo district balalo eviction committee di
eter giba aradisi prango aradisi tie chairperson pa jumute ke victim balalo Madokolo
azida ne mukala de ngana adama iko
ene to putin kite chama berla ya
kala bito biti madamu meva madamu tene be made
kana te ko baiti do nge bindi boti do nge tar made
ane mata ka nya pura da tandi mitri
ene bar nya kango mete mwenda
aba ko ba femi ako minga menya pura no sura de nene ba
udo dieng ubin wango mete kien
ani do ko tanga meta titika longare ambaka la hutiare ne kene ne malongare ya Vice Genemani, on benga zitikare ne ba le me official ale dus. Iflani group da ale ndela la deni. aya muke me amutori dusi me amu ale moto dula situ nari dade ngoni ale wiki dusi amani ni ba kwa zala ngoni ale
ate pa jubute ko complain o giti doro meeting no ana mite Wednesday match be chuwe chukecha ka kitare ngoma leni yenga mubino enen kitama to pupa kulemba ene
ata ma mtoto njerinde andeni ne busiri bo ko kolo do sikini
kadi ka wone be wesi no andeni da jurmiro kolo gilware do ngoro
ane mama chifu ne e
kwa chief ne
ba ni tempo zonde ne ari kitusi butisi ma mukama buna lende
ma tulor ngo ne gi andeni no ma gitino ruo yo fispare
amani murara disi ba kodora zangora da mutu kusiri ne ba
be do pin kwa radisi karginen kitama kito ko kulemba ene
ma zanga pita maza kutaro dware
nyakuper ka konyo e odiatno
ale taba accident la le no de for fair ni eso we kama za kokala ari sidin ne ba
kar amikre for first fee konyo me be kon ko dano odiatie
me bere waraka sia nera
ebe lo ka apply ti l'empathy
te amazi ni ko do la ko
ento gingi dibir ka nge operengo
matoka le wa femina va koko
na bana kuri nwanga ava kuri aikumi
waraka hule ne dese mo mani lo officer akene ma tuma waraka do
ma chenka na applying ma kisi di office pare nyutire na itual application per
mata ni mi akaro mangana za kongona de manganda sara sidin ne ba
be jo puka konyu chalu woru
eme de transi matriki
wonza utia we pare
ba service commissioner akira matriki
yomi service commissioner de ju pare
ba ki mai manga mibura ma fe negri de misikani ma do luru igami le gati ni ne ba ada mai ko ba amara ma service commissioner alo de rubon gade negri akunga aha wura le simadi dura ma fe negri de mi choisir ko ma do me ba luru de ru negri e ba ni da ko ni ne ba amara kini taba arodo de ke bo ta ko ndi ari to to ni
na mande ngat mo ku asini atransa ali
ta do ko ta ba arodo de ko ndi nari aha to bo ta ko ndi arodo
ayo badukin na pale ko alo ba fe alo
badukin na ba fe alo okay aya madam speaker for manam salangi ne ba amarojo refugee settlement oriki ile ajerisi bandra mane azibaki fepiriki onjaki ba aziriki ramu sara atos afara fedonda are staff ke tsa are ke so arajo amari papa ba finazo ala ndangir di tuki ba du bari prazi ke ba tiki kempe ala raba amara ba da arajo etenido arajo loto bugi arajo chea nendre patana staff kandra de ala roromi ba nje ba ki woro pawalo afala fanda arajo lera ki ipi azibati yo ba mbake sa ba tiki lera ya ani ra ro to angir plani chora denimani ba dara de ne ba ani situation power ali do adon tinyanya ale sabukan ti chief ba manera sare sere de kiti aza koma kosera ba fo ba koki mungo pos ele de amboro me mudria amanga ziba zindula kisiraya mario kolosivia amanga masiba kisi power ali ke banga ke aja de tolo na da kiko erengare da dilieri ni ba oh do and do to power manoka moto do ba dulara de kida letika pakoya drodi ali sito to letika dieni aha me istangoni
and then
letika raringo aha Chief.
I think I can help and describe that road. This road is when you come to Ottawa Primary. I see that. Then because that gang community access road, no garden, irritated from one power area. Even somebody got to Okolorisi, we are requesting back at someone to do it. That should be a breakdown. Back at it, doing evil to support this market and the Baribu market. Even if they collect, you know, the MD for Lingua, that road. Okay. I even shared with the district engineer. Actually, he said this financial year end, they will try to prioritize this road actually because of this market. The day I think, I don't know if it's financial challenges, so it has not come. Before now, I wanted to make clarification on this issue of transfer. It is to be transferred as staff area or core one. Bandit staff do the wall. They were picked from various facilities to be taken there. Like they replace for all the facilities. Then this transfer that caused the issue. 3 staffs were transferred. Then there was issue raised by the community here, which the district had. 2 were retained, 1 was transferred, then 1 also was the transferred was replaced. So this 3, I think here it has no problem. That one was resolved.
Okay. Anira, Beriko, Entawa, Power, Mapi, Ifolora, Atamamuri, the Parabu, Telara. Now, open out the tragedy. I would do black never. And Rasa Chavo cow in the next roads committee meeting. I want this matter to feature such that we will try to see if we can plan it for the coming financial year. Let me see if we can close this meeting. What was the time in Oga, Trabenidon, Rudebari, Raka Kalachi? Huh? What was the time in Oga, Trabenidon? Huh? I am now Doro, no more the
district chairperson like this. Nia, Jumema Difa Ongoloki wiye. Gipinu kakae, gichoko sende wa, giketu watemo wa lunch, wara jumite dermano usende mwa saya makwati kode gichoko gichido kode kunu. Do ongoloki wiye, sende mwa gichoko millionary ko peni bigmo gunyide di bongwa.
Ile oni ini yo Madifa Madera ya Madifa mukanga dia orki is access de millionary e fekale masada wara de para sasa ko kepo e millionary yesu gongani ya ini yo Madifa Madera ya
Madifa amare dore
wawinje
Madifa dia mara dore are nyoju lako
na wezu bi Madifa winja enye opedingo
Andi Madifa na Europe Maria de ke andi koro Arutifa ruwa kalea
jomu ta ku Madifa giberkati te Arudifa
Bale riki ya office bendo adreki asinga mado kolo pale aku
giberu ku office ligi giberu ngote mado kolo district
Sende bale pini du milioni ridi e ma rodu dulara
Sanda maji choki beru millionary ario no ewizu pere.
Teoto njiri sende na e bafe Madifa piride ama district run ndodo dulako.
La maraji beru ni asa maji meku millionary no e ba Madifa no dalu district nye bejengo.
Madifa kiandra mojono il store si il tarado si
Na sa Madifa doati na ke medu kier store kono kier angono.
Among the Bama Tifari Kimadu officer.
A long journey office para.
As he send the new school as those stores, the farmers in the new school.
A pen to my difa, send a moment to get for stores and all, one can.
And the Takanda Mombe Kolokuma Bazo.
It walked great. Praise my end and go to Chaco car, Tiamlo, Morong for that.
The Ramtarari Kina Mata district, the Rula Ama. Just stop and see the Jamai.
You're in here to meet this much. You wait to stomach to meet it to get my edges.
Para Chakimadi Kuvara Pakera.
Then if you buy and go Gerengo.
Magaladini Pitleka Kinda.
Enter Karkawonen at the sound of leaders, make it a parasaya.
Barina Leko as a lead.
I tell you, Jaleko Majeke.
Barini Kizito Azori.
Kizito, Mabore.
I decided to secure Sumaki Mabuso.
Can anyone get a one and get Babus?
It's Araba Kimabuso and your mother common statement.
Can you win now? I get to give my bush market, a bigger statement you will.
And it's said that Jan, you took this to Kurineva.
Now, Jalo, this could give the million go percent in my age.
Ambulance.
I'm not the way to ambulance.
Ambulance in the Kwamaza Marera Bamba.
Ambulance any point to my way, Madican.
Zara the Tabla John Mini.
And I'm not what we know.
Randa Dodon Basuma drive an ambulance in the Baby Land about Koraba Babla to Mapusua.
Now, at my Mubol, Mutana, Market.
Musana Ango, the name ambulance, Bezo and Anguba City, Mutkabari Alaprai.
Rao Kama, Karen, one ambulance, Bena Kabiruma, Makuru, Karen, one accident here.
Bango Motokas, Speaker Mambasi.
A ball Mutkaren is speed, deep Wupper Karen for that.
Amami Petra, ambulance, and Mother Bangoban, the Bazola, Atara.
One end was buried in some educated ambulance in Kamoku, Kabedeta, Miracle at Tushenda.
An ambulance in Avina, Famara says that.
Ambulance will put dinner, okay, 13, Chanda.
Alanda ambulance, so they send us under Madiru, Kupi, interest, out of the scenario.
China, give me repairing ambulance and could send a interest under Dr. Deepno.
Ariara Council, Arabanda Council at the Chip in the law.
You pay the council.
Teddy loan zero. Back Kampala, the jockey rook, Samani Senate, and I used to Yoba to send the Prabati Kampala.
Magina, the interest then in Yobo, ambulance, not to make Kampala go out and go.
All those as interested, send as a man who Bazu to love one of those ambulance in order to analyze. Musano Zanga ambulance in Rosazo, they send about all those with the Labrador Milo, the Calinas. Tell us send it on you. Sarah said, I'm ambulance wherever my dear kid away.
Ambulances moved on the road in Madakai.
At the Utriba Sunday, I think the Aram ambulance in the other than
now sent a Mokumura Moshi, Yobo, ambulance,
send the Banitra landing site already. They send the government to Madokolo.
Sent a magic chocolate landing sent into set up a Madoko, this local government.
Amada, you power back.
Did you could have power support local government?
The power is of county, Gaud money, landing site about ordinary.
Power support local government, new digital district, general market, landing site.
And now tell me the German, the Muka, Mador or Mori to pay for Amala planning down the oil, the air among the aura.
Let me watch you tell them at there for getting the pin, then Magito put them a plan. Landing site, we wait you know.
Baba Torojola Tani couldn't never.
Could what get a left at Rabe?
I'm a old people.
What him to do Carajel?
I'll put down in my Bielan, didn't never. I got clear.
And a quite a
Mangalado and I'm more poor. Power in the buffet powers.
There are much of a Gerongo, Soko, power.
I'm a program up in the Suzuki Atalaya.
One was better on a big program, we get with the Soko.
I'm also on the program Usumedia.
One now send them up with the program at Long Usumidno.
I'm Utenda Sukiri.
Yes, I was get on Socaria.
Ndaki matangachi abe.
Ndeko matangachia.
Ako ipi azara.
Echa udilo mitie kabebe chaje.
Ojo waru di piatalasti.
Kadi le mateke ni.
Suazi ngire mado kola de di piazama di koso.
Soko matendo tendo me mado kola no de kepe konyo.
Amani nogo ndo toroni rio joti rio raki.
Deputy wa beneno na soroni ma dugola ne kiti ario.
Department madi year de frene.
Domi department pa P remove mefu.
Mamu toroni de ne fele mi pora re mai.
Bine kelu soroni ka kene en.
Ocha zo mene gamete mado kola de komeko.
Nyuti unia government mi mado kola be wekungo wekudengo.
Afana toroni power ya.
Chenge mi para soroni power.
Afe toroni baribua.
Jeme kachel mi baribu.
Afe toroni olepia.
Jeme kachel olepi.
Sare sidine ama olepini sengenge so.
Kawone ni kite ka fencing.
Ka vutia ama mu sengenge so baribua.
Yoringe kite fencing baribu market.
The notazo amani ama sisu di pediatriachi.
Eni telembene ni awande wati kuparu soken duwen.
Mungo pose ama osu tutura teringatre program bano be nurse putri palia.
Nya kukoin pa Mungu wabe tinang soku moku ki majbe tigiaro. Ite program majlo nurse.
Otitala ala la aviramane wererate su power tinalande.
Ite majbe time ko de podu winyira nyana ki ento power te kin soken.
Su azengere di futale ti sirale nene ba.
Soku matindo tindo mutie no gi ite kupana ma gier.
Atreba jojo mitia power rala kuya.
Ngoni age uji wili kumuchal power.
Ati kina chama che trabedi mane made pura no di facility.
Ha? Ma kidilu yo pare. Dale nano. Ma kilo yo pare ne.
Ati mini ruto ama te mari ni made pura ra atiri ni yo.
Ma di wa kidilu yo pare ne yo pare eta podi ma.
Ba di pini ya atiri ku tire ba ti atiri no lo to kwa ba mu ni ribo.
Kite ma yo plane kuma chenu uberna gichaki yo choko bikatu kuma ejiti di ribo.
Mado korole ba subcounty atikore adala lo pore ko.
Isa imado kolopene subcounty mu pe kuma titi power kende ngo.
Rano kambi subcounty atio.
Rano kan subcounty pe kuma.
Wanga subcounty atio.
Wanga subcounty pe kuma.
Ene to pore le wa ngumyondi ika otos.
Kete parnya un de gu kakai perango.
Odo rane le mazista ko.
Metu ga penji.
Ananda kameto tini.
Eta beri pa government.
Kala rala amador lo don je fibe.
Eta kawono makdongi we government.
Razo subcounty zinadi peba sa generali nene ba.
Neno ne ma jenju telu biri subcounty da take me we shuwe no.
Ipina do to amande se.
Jenju wasko mai no.
Ngoto amana chase power nangazu pakwatiara.
Ma di power no ai ko di pakwas.
Le to ba ma di la zone do ba cha do.
Makdongi luin nike nen ne ma chen gitu kakai.
Tikirura ati sazo rana kambi subcounty ara.
Ngendi hiyo ni telu maasi rana kem subcounty.
Rana kambi subcounty nga idu no suangazo rana kambi town council.
Rana kem subcounty no ang masarane ai rana kem town council.
Amasar sindredin amanga wanga na chasa ngazu jufia.
Na wabe nano komai na sa moku masmire wanga besi ai yumbe.
Musani rigbo sa moto seko.
Rana kudi ribo kakai wakano machikazi rengo.
Hi ala na mbamba.
Dita kecha.
Ana do repisiba zimungu ne.
Pelema egizo makwalek mongo.
Ba bantola maroti apurene ba.
Gomge.
Amadria ba amwa li mari nyapu pesa masa.
Jil
ba lo dola ku tukriki le la de ne ba.
Megi bare ne apinye binu kadi sa megi eto jumutie katim plan no gite kamoku.
Po mene mari de se.
Po yo kiwinji.
Amado mutini to piraya.
Juba je fongo do mi.
Back to MC.
Or for ya.
Vamos a